Here's Peyton sitting in his chair. Look at this happy little boy. Look at that happy little boy. Yes. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Oh, there's so many smiles. There's so many smiles from this sweet little boy. We're also cooing. Maybe we can get a coo on camera? What do you think? You gonna talk to the camera? You gonna talk to the camera? Haha, there's another smile. Or are you being shy? You being shy? Oh. Peyton. Peyton. Can we get some talking? Maybe a little talking for the camera? Maybe a little talking for the camera? Oh, there were some noises. Oh, there's some talking. Oh, and we've also discovered our hands in the last couple weeks. We love to chew on them. Uh-oh, there's a little clouding up. Okay, bye for now.